Okay, this is part 2 of the skull granny square. Part 1, I showed you guys how to do this. So in part 2, we'll make the square part. I start in the corner when I do granny squares. That way you don't have a line, a visible line when you start in the middle. So I always start in the corner. We'll start here with this first stitch, and you notice that I'm going in just the back loop instead of going in both of them. This is just personal preference. I go in the back loop. It makes this skull a little bit bigger and gives like a nice little outline on the skull. So bring your loop through and chain 2 and do a double crochet in that same stitch. Okay, and I don't like a lot of holes in my granny squares, which is why I love this solid granny square pattern. But I've discovered recently that I don't have to chain 3 or even 2 in the corner of my granny square. So because of the holes for the eyes and the nose are so big, and I don't want a lot of extra holes in my hoodie, I'm gonna chain 1 in my corner. And then I'm going to do 2 more double crochets in the same stitch to finish off that corner and start the next row. These skulls are going into I'm making an entire hoodie out of sugar skulls in my Kraf-Tbird colors of pink, blue, and purple. So this is one of those skulls. Now that we have the corner done, see we have just a tiny little hole there for the corner. Now we're going to make the square part. So we're going to go from a skull to a square. In this stitch, the next stitch, do a double crochet, and then do a half double in the next 3 stitches. Okay, and in the next stitch, oh, I did that one wrong. Try that again. All right, our third half double. There we go. All right, in the next one, do a double crochet.